Hello all, welcome to the day 31 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. Trigonometry, particularly triangulation, plays a key role in navigation on land, at sea and in the air. GPS, a radio navigation system, uses satellites to determine our exact position on Earth. A guard stationed at the top of a 240-meter tower noticed an unidentified boat moving towards the structure. Using a clinometer, an instrument that measures the angles of elevation or depression, the guard measured the angle of depression to the boat and found it to be 30 degrees. Based on this information, answer the following. Question 1. Draw a labeled diagram representing the situation and calculate the distance between the boat and the base of the observation tower. A guard is stationed at the top of a 240-meter tower. So let this be the tower AB, which is 240 meter. The person is standing at the top of this at position A, noticed an unidentified boat moving towards the structure. Let the position of the boat be C. Using the clinometer, the angle of depression is found to be 30 degree. That is, if we draw a line parallel to BC, and that is the eye level from the position A, the angle of depression is 30 degree. So this is a rough sketch of the scenario given in the question. And calculate the distance between the boat and the base of the observation tower. So this is the base of the, so we have to calculate BC. Now since AE is parallel to BC and this AC can be considered as transversal, the angle at C is also 30 degree. That is, angle ACB is equal to angle EAC, which is 30. In triangle ABC, since we have one angle and the opposite side and we need the adjacent BC, so we will work with tan. Tan 30 degree is equal to AB by BC. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 and AB is 240 by BC. So BC is 240 root 3 meters. That is, this is the distance of the boat from the base. Question 2. 10 minutes later, the guard observed that the boat had moved closer, reducing its distance from the tower by 240 root 3 minus 1 meters. So the C has moved to a position, say D, reducing the total distance by 240 root 3 minus 1. That is, this distance is 240 root 3 minus 1. He immediately raised the alarm. What is the new angle of depression from the top of the tower to the boat? Now let's connect A and D. We have to calculate this new depression. Since AE is parallel to BD and AD behaves as a transversal, the angle at D, that is ADB, can be taken as theta because alternate interior angles are equal. In triangle ABD, BD is equal to BC minus DC. BC is 240 root 3 minus DC is 240 times root 3 minus 1, which is 240 root 3 minus 240 root 3 plus 240. That is BD is 240 meters. We have opposite and the adjacent, we'll take tan ratio. Tan theta is equal to AB upon BD. Tan theta is 240 by 240. Tan theta is equal to 1, which means theta is equal to 45 degree. So this is the new angle of depression from the top of the tower to the boat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.